Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, April 14th, 2025, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes closed higher across the board. The S&P 500 index ended at 5,405.97, up 42.62 points. The Dow 30 index gained 312.7 to 40,524.79. Both mid and small caps outperformed, with the S&P 400 mid-cap index and the Russell 2000 index each rising 1.1%. Looking at returns, the S&P 400 mid-cap index leads week-to-date performance, up 1.18%. Year-to-date, the Russell 2000 index shows the largest decline at minus 15.66%, while the Dow 30 index has held up best, down 4.75%. Defensive sectors led today's gains. Real estate top performers, rising 2.1%. Utilities gained 1.7%, while consumer defensive advanced 1.6%, marking its fourth consecutive positive close. Consumer cyclical was the only sector to decline, down 0.1%. Energy and communication services each gained just 0.25%, underperforming the broader market despite positive closes. Global markets showed strength. Chile led gains, rising 2.6%. Hong Kong and Mexico both advanced 2.4%, while Australia gained 2.2%. Year-to-date performance shows Chile leading with a 16.3% gain, followed by Mexico up 10.9%. Hong Kong and Australia are both slightly negative for the year. Mixed results among tech leaders today. Apple gained 2.2% to 202.52, while Meta Platforms fell by the same percentage. Amazon dropped 1.4% amid sideways trading, and Nvidia edged lower by 0.19%.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 84,768 with a gain of 1,034, showing mixed bearish signals. Ethereum is up 34 to 1,631, while BNB consolidates near 586. Dogecoin shows weakness, down 2.3% with a strong negative trend.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing broad weakness against major currencies. Against the euro, it's at 0.8808, down 0.30 cents. The dollar has a strong negative trend against the sterling, dropping for 6 consecutive days to 0.7582. Against the yen, it's fallen to 142.97, experiencing downward volatility. The Swiss franc and Aussie dollar are also gaining ground against the weakening dollar.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Gold futures closed at 3,226.80, down 17.80, showing a very strong positive trend despite today's decline. Natural gas futures fell 5.7%, with downward volatility for a week. Corn futures demonstrated strength, closing up for 6 consecutive sessions with strong upward volatility.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.